Feeling overwhelmed by finances? Juggling bills, saving, and enjoying life is tough. But what if there was a simple way to manage your money without constant stress? Welcome to the 50-30-20 rule of money. This popular budgeting guideline, popularized by Elizabeth Warren, offers a straightforward way to allocate your after-tax income. It's easy to understand, flexible, and effective for achieving financial goals. Let's break it down and see how you can take control of your money. Understanding the categories. 50% for needs. The largest portion, 50% of your income, goes to needs. These are essential expenses for survival and basic living, your non-negotiable costs. This includes housing, rent, mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, essential insurance, and minimum debt payments. The key is distinguishing what you must pay from what you choose to spend. If needs exceed 50%, reevaluate these core expenses. Managing this 50% effectively is the foundation of a stable financial life. 30% for wants. Next, 30% is for your wants. This is discretionary spending that improves your quality of life, but isn't essential. Examples include dining out, entertainment, hobbies, vacations, new gadgets, subscriptions, and non-essential shopping. This category offers flexibility. If you overspend here, you might need to adjust. It's not about deprivation, but finding balance. Enjoy life without derailing your budget. 20% for savings and debt repayment. Finally, 20% of your income goes to savings and debt repayment. This is crucial for long-term financial health and freedom. Prioritize building an emergency fund, 3 to 6 months expenses, and contributing to retirement savings, 401k, IRA. If you have high-interest debt, use this 20% for payments beyond the minimum. Consistently allocating to this category builds wealth and eliminates debt. Even if you can't hit 20% immediately, start small and gradually increase. How to implement the 50-30-20 rule. Implementing this rule is simple. First, calculate your net income. Then, track and categorize your spending into needs, wants, and savings debt. Adjust your spending to align with the percentages. Budgeting apps and spreadsheets can help. Remember, it's a guideline, not rigid law. If needs exceed 50%, focus on reducing them or increasing income. If you can't save 20%, start smaller and work up. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Its adaptability is its beauty. Flexibility and adjustments. The 50-30-20 rule is flexible. Life changes, and so will your finances. Regular review and adjustment are key. Monthly or quarterly, check your budget. Are you sticking to percentages? Do categories need adjustment? Don't fear adapting the rule to your unique circumstances. It's a tool to serve you. The more you practice, the more control you'll feel. The 50-30-20 rule is a powerful, simple framework for financial management. By allocating 50% to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt, you create a clear path to stability and freedom. It reduces stress, encourages intentional spending, and accelerates goal achievement. Don't wait. Take control of your money today. Your future self will thank you. If this guide helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.